make something like a C, a shape like a C, but stop somewhere here. Don't curve it too much. Okay, and then give a gap here, and then make another one as if it's a C again, body mirrored the other way.
But not,
Yes, okay.
not beef or ball.
Yeah, not beef ball. Then from here, let's make a wavy shape.
Like somebody at the beach.
Somebody, yeah, it's funny, but it's okay.
Is it like a skeleton teeth?
Maybe. Then let's join this together like this. Curve it and join to that point. Awesome.
But I did not join it well.
Okay, and can you draw off a bend like this? Two lines bending off like this. At the top. Go up a bit. Alright, so draw it. Two lines. Another one. Awesome. And then join it at this end here.
Join it. What about you snap it to
Then this one, you curve this one to get to this point.
That is easy.
And this other one to get to this other point. Okay. Alright, then from here let's make.
What about we put the face?
Can you make a sign like this? A curvy wavy sign?
So why is that on a pumpkin?
Yeah, it's part of the pumpkin. That's okay. Alright. Then here you can start from the top or from here and then make this, draw this line, curvy line.
Pumpkin needs things like faces.
Yeah.
Pumpkin need faces to do the lights tin, not stripes.
That's okay. We're going to put that. That's pumpkin. Okay, so we can put the big pumpkin eyes.
Can we put them out first?
So let's put it here. Make a big one, a big circle here.
Don't get it out.
And on this other side, make another big circle.
But
Let
how?
it be inside the line you made. Awesome. So let's give the pumpkin
A mouth.
a mouth.
And then a nose.
Okay, a nose.
Yeah.
So we're going to make the nose here.
Nose on the middle.
We're going to make the nose here. Make the nose like this.
How's the nose on the middle of the nose?
And then let's make the mouth then. So we're going to give it smiley, curvy mouth like this.
It's gonna be like that because if I did not make it like that, it's
Okay.
gonna be harder than I thought.
Let's make it, give it a smiley mouth like this. Awesome. So more of Johnny Pumpkin.
Happy pumpkin.
Happy pumpkin.
Not a sad pumpkin.
Not a sad one. So pumpkin, we're going to give it orange color.
Maybe this one. This one?
Not orange. Get your orange.
Well, we have two oranges already.
Yeah, get this one. This orange. Let's give the pumpkin orange color.
But not the leaf.
Yeah, not the leaf. Don't give the top. Oh, this stem, yeah.
Yeah, because if we color the whole tin, the whole tin orange,
You have to be fast because we have a lot of color.
but this one is slow. Oh no, my one is finishing. Look.
Well, you have to change it. Take another one. Keep going. Right. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like to color. You have to color fast. Some will have lots to color.
Today
Yeah, see, you have the pumpkin. It's a big pumpkin.
Are we gonna color 100 today?
So now I don't know. We're coloring the pumpkin. Pumpkin is one, but you know it's big. It's a big pumpkin. So you need to color fast.
Oh no, before you finish.
Yeah, otherwise I'll first you.
No, because I'm slow today.
Don't color the eyes. When you get to the eyes, you leave the eyes.
What are we gonna color it?
And the nose.
Nothing? Are we not gonna color it anything?
We're going to give them another color.
Maybe yellow.
If you say so.
Because I know pumpkins have yellow.
Okay. That would be nice.
How many pumpkins is so handy?
Good done. You want to sing a song?
Yeah.
Well done. Sing, go ahead.
1, 2, 3 pumpkins. How many pumpkins are in the house? 4.
4.
Yeah, 4 pumpkins are in the house. Do you want to see what is inside?
Inside the pumpkin.
Yes.
Have you eaten pumpkin before?
No. I did not eat a seed before. A pumpkin seed before.
Yeah, pumpkin has seed inside, yes.
I'm not gonna eat a seed.
Yeah, but you can eat the flesh, the fruits.
Look what I made.
Don't color the nose as well.
I made a zigzag on the mouth.
I'm almost done.
Almost done. You only have 2 more.
I have 2 more left. How many do you have left?
100.
So many funny.
You only have 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4.
You have 4, then be fast. So that you can finish.
Then you.
If you can finish before me, that would be nice.
Next time we can draw something different.
Yes, next time we'll draw something different. Okay.
Daddy,
Yeah.
you know black is not good.
Black is good.
No, if you color black with a different color, it will make different color bad.
Okay, yes. If you mix it with another color,
It will color it badly.
to make it bad, yeah.
And you not like the color again.
Yes,
That's
you have
why-
to avoid it.
That's why you have to be careful with black.
Yes, you have to be careful with that black.
Yeah, because if you do it anything different color, will make it bad.
Yes, just be careful when you want to color near the black color so that it doesn't mix and then stain your color.
Yeah, and that's why you have to line it.
Yes, you have to outline it very well. Good. That's why you have to outline it well
That is
before.
what I do sometimes. And that is that I have to do it every time.
Yes, always do it every time. Daddy does it too. You are outlining the area where you want to color. Okay?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing because I don't want black to come in the color. That's why.
Okay, and you also don't want to color outside.
Yeah.
That is good. Keep going. We're
This
almost
one-
done.
This one is a big one.
It's a big one, yes. I'll just start. Soon finish it.
And you only have 1 left.
Yes, I'm also doing my last one.
That's why I have to be quicker than you.
Let's try and be quicker. I don't mind. I don't mind you being quicker.
But all the time you say, oh no, summer rain, oh no, I'm still coloring. Last night you made a big donut and the donut was too big and then you did not finish yet and I finished.
You finished before me?
Yeah, last night we was making a donut.
Awesome. Yes, we made a donut the other day. Friends,
And
have you watched our donut video? If you have not, you can check it on our channel and watch the donut
But
video.
if you did not watch the Rainbow Play-Doh one before, or the coloring one, or the house one before, you watch it quick.
Yeah, please watch. Someone said you should watch it quick. Someone. Come on. You want your friends to go and watch it quick?
Yeah.
Funny girl. Alright,
or
please.
if you don't watch it quick, it'll go away.
Yeah, no, but it won't get away. It will always be on our channel. You can always see it anytime.
And you're still coloring it a little bit.
Yeah, but I'm done as well.
That's what I'm doing now.
Awesome.
I'm lining it.
That green? Let's use this green. Let's use the green to hide this place here, this area.
Everywhere up here.
Yes, everywhere.
But what about we color eyes a different color?
No, the eyes is going to be a different color. It's not going to be green.
Yes, it's going to.
We said the yellow the other time. We're going to use yellow.
Yeah, but not the other color yellow because I don't want to use a different yellow.
It's okay. Any yellow you want is fine.
Yeah, because you keep saying no.
No, you can use any color you want.
Yeah, but you say what color I want. I'm done
Are you
already.
done?
Yeah, you're still coloring. Yellow. This yellow.
Yellow, okay, go ahead.
This one.
Go ahead, yeah.
This one. I'm using this yellow. Not this yellow, not this one.
Okay, that's nice. For the eyes and for the nose.
Yeah, this color's for the nose.
Okay.
Done. I'm done
You're done
already.
already.
Yeah, because you did not color yours yet.
Oh, summer is done.
I can dance once you're done. I can dance, dum dum. I can dance, dum dum.
Alright, I'm done. Wow, this is so fine. Friends, I hope you're able to draw along with us. Summer, do you love what you did?
Yeah.
And it's so fine and beautiful. Alright, friends. Summer, what do you say to your friends?
If you do not subscribe now, subscribe to our video and see you next time. And bye.
Alright, friends. Please do subscribe if you have not subscribed yet to our channel. And do see you in our next video. Bye bye.